Okay, we've got a clip here in DaVinci Resolve, and it's wavering a bit. It's a little bit shaky, so we're going to select that. Select Inspector in the top right. Select Stabilization. We're just going to go adjust the settings a little bit. You can adjust these after though. And we're going to click on Zoom and click Stabilize. And now we watch the clip. And it's quite a little bit smoother. You will notice a little bit of rolling shutter artifacts on the side. So here is before and after. And now if we go to Premiere Pro, we want to do the same thing. So you click on the clip, and this time you go into your effects, window effects, type in warp, drag warp stabilizer into the clip, and this is a filter and it has to render. And again, you can adjust the settings after the fact or before the fact. So right here you can see it's rendering. It takes a little bit longer than DaVinci. 2 minutes it says, might be a bit less. It did take about 2 minutes for Premiere Pro, and then we'll play it back and you can see it's a little bit smoother, and in Premiere you can notice a little bit more rolling shutter warbles, but you can adjust, fine-tune the settings in here to make it a less evident. So that's before, and here's before and after.